The Live View function of Smart ICRSS features several tools and utilities to enhance your remote experience. In the Live View section of Smart ICRSS, hover your mouse in the upper right-hand side of any live streaming channel and several icons will populate. The first icon is the local record. Left-clicking this will start a recording for that channel. Left-click again to end and save the recording. Left-clicking on the folder icon in the pop-up on the bottom right of the corner will locate the recorded file. The next icon is the Snapshot icon. Left-clicking this will save a picture of the current channel. The speaker icon will toggle audio for the current channel if the camera has a microphone or the recorder has an audio line connected to that channel. The microphone icon toggles the two-way talk function. This enables you to listen to the audio input from that channel or recorder, as well as talk through your PC audio source out to the camera or recorder audio output. The next icon is the instant playback. Left-clicking this will display recordings from the last hour of that channel. The magnifying glass icon will toggle the digital zoom function. This will allow you to draw a box in the channel. Once doing so, the channel will digitally zoom in relation to the size of the box created. You can move the view to different areas of the camera by holding the left mouse button and dragging to the desired area. Release the mouse button to keep the view in the desired area. Finally, the X icon will close the live view for the current channel. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit ICRealtime.com.